Rusty Rivets. Combine it and design it. Click play to start. Play. Hey, Rusty Rivets here. Today, I'm using parts from the recycling yard to transform my go-kart into a super speeding machine. Will you help? Great! Let's combine it and design it. Once we design and create our new machine, we'll need to test it. Click a design to get started. Great! Let's get to work. It's time to make our awesome air speeder. If we can dream it, we can build it. Let's make our machine and fly through the recycling yard to test it out. All right, time to fold. Helicopter blades. Awesome! Floaters. That looks amazing! Awesome! All right, let's put our machine to the test. Press the up or down arrows on your keyboard to help us move. Sweet! Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us. Careful! Woohoo! Collect bolts so we can unlock cool parts for our machine. Watch out! Whoa! Super speed! Yeah! Nice job! Careful! Yeah! Let's bolt! Amazing! Time to bolt! Whoa! Super speed! Great! Yeah! Let's bolt! Yeah! Modify, customize, rustify. And look how many bolts we collected. Next. Once we design and create our new machine, we'll need to... Great! Let's get to work. Time to turn my go-kart into the Super Speedster 6000. Then we can race it through the recycling yard to test it out. All right, time to fold. To choose a part you want, click the part and then click it. Great! Now let's take it to the next level. That looks amazing! Go-kart tires. Awesome! Fan. Awesome! Flame badge. Done. That looks super sweet. Now it's time to test our creation. Modified, customized, rustified. All right, let's put our machine to the test. Press the up or down arrow. Sweet! Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Woohoo! Collect bolts so we can unlock cool parts for our machine. Careful! Super speed! Watch out! Yeah! Nice job! Amazing! Great! Yeah! Let's bolt! Yeah! Nice job! Time to bolt! Amazing! Great! Super speed! Yeah! Modify, customize, rustify. And look how many bolts we collected. awesome teamwork. We completed all of the missions, and our machines were amazing. Thanks for your help. If you want to help me out on more missions, click the Play Again button.